highways, stepped in the middle of seven-side forest, and I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of the graveyard, and it's a hard, but it's a hard, but it's a hard rain don't fall. But you see, I've tried, son. What do you see? I'm telling you what. Saw New Bombay with 5 holes all around it. Highway of diamonds with nobody on it. I saw a black rain, blood that kept dripping. I saw a room full of men with their hammers bleeding. 10,000 tongues and their tongues were out broken. Guns and chop saw in the hands of young children. And it's a hard, yeah, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain don't fall. What did you hear, my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? I heard the sound of a thunder, and it roared out a warning. Heard the roar of a wave, it could drown the whole world. I heard the 100 drummers, whose hands were blazing. 10,000 whispered, nobody listening. One person starved, I heard a many people laughing. I heard the song of a poet and he died in the gutter. I heard the sound of a clown and he cried in the alley. It's a hard, yeah, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain don't fall. Who did you meet? My blood son. Who did you meet? My darling young one. I met a young child, the sound of dead pony. I met a white man, and he walked a black dog. I met a young woman, and her body was burning. I met a young girl, and she gave me a rainbow. I met one man, he was wounded in love. I met another man, wounded in hatred. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain don't fall. What do you do now, my blood son? What do you do now, my darling young one? I'm going back out, for the rain starts to fall. I walk to the dirt of the deepest dark forest, where the people are many, and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding their waters, and the home in the valley beats the dead, really listen, love is well hidden, where the hunger is ugly, where souls are forgotten. Black is the color, and none is the number. And I'll tell it, and I'll think it, and I'll speak it, and I'll bring it, and reflect it from the mountain, so our souls can see it. Then I'll stand on the ocean until I start singing. When I know my song well, before I start singing, because it's a heart. Yeah, it's a heart.